Alright, boys and girls, what is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a very exciting news that I want to share with you guys. Now, as some of you guys know, that a couple months ago I made an A-spec front and rear lip video on my R6 Type S. Well, the owner of the company, DC5 Association, they hit me up, they saw my video and they hit me up and they actually sent me some free goodies from them. So today video is gonna be unboxing this box and see what's inside of it. And shout out to the DC5 Association. I just want to say thank you so much, guys. I mean, as you guys can see, my A-spec rear lip right here, it turned out just phenomenal. It's still holding up great. There's no issue to it. I love it. And I just want to thank you guys, sending my, saw my video and sending me out a free goodies. I just really want to say thank you so much. Also, guys, if you guys are wondering what's their Instagram account is, I'll leave their Instagram account right here and also in the link in the description below, so please go check it out. But other than enough of me talking, let's open this box and see what's inside of it. The guy told me to make a video on it, so I am very excited what's inside of this box. This is gonna be hard to open. Let me go get a scissor real quick. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, some lanyards and stuff. Look at this, guys. Ooh. DC5 Association. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's one of them. He sent me like 3 different kind. One in red. I don't know if you guys can see this, but oh my goodness, guys. And also one in yellow. He sent me 3 of them? That's crazy. Oh my god. I can use one of these for my new Del Sol, as you guys. Some of you guys know I got a new car. I shouldn't say what car it is, but I already said it. But anyways, guys, go check that video. I'll leave that video and link in the description. So, and this right here, guys, looks like a banner. I don't know. Let's unwrap this thing real quick. Pretty sure it says DC5 Association. So, oh my goodness, guys, this is like a banner, dude. Are you kidding me? That's freaking insane. Oh my god, no freaking way, dude. Alright, guys, what is this right here? Honda genuine parts. Ooh, it's like a JDM sticker right here. Oh my goodness, this is freaking dope. I'm sorry, guys, but this is freaking dope. Oh no way. Japan flag right here? No freaking way. As some of you guys know, that I actually moved from Japan to here about 9 years ago, like over 9 years ago, almost 10 years ago, I want to say. So yeah, but when I first came over here, I did not know zero English. Like, I had to study from like bottom. Like, I studied hard. Like, I knew some. It was a whole nother level, I gotta say. But yeah, ooh. And some password JDMs. I think these are like the valve cover. But I think these are like the valve cover nuts and washers. I think that's what it is. I'm not. I gotta look up. But he gave me 2 sets. That's the crazy part. So, oh yeah, and also a DC5 Association's jet tag, guys. This is crazy. Insert before flight. You already know. This is crazy. He gave me 3 of them. Like, one in red, one in yellow, one in black. This is crazy, guys. Association, big banner right here. This right here is definitely going to be going onto my car. DC5 Association, I just want to say thank you so much for sending me all these stuff. I'm sorry I kind of made a video a little bit late, like a week late, but then I just want to say thank you so much. But anyways, guys, please go follow them on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram account in the link in the description below, so please do so. And also, guys, if you want to send me free stuff, I'll leave the address in the link in the description below, so send me free stuff there. So technically, this is my first free stuff I ever got in my YouTube career. So I just want to say, guys, DC5 Association, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I mean, this is like dream come true for me with all the hard work I've been doing for like over 3.5 years on YouTube. So thank you so much, DC5 Association. If you want to send me free stuff, go ahead. I'm a huge Mariners fan. I love kicks too, so send me some free stuff if you want to. So, but other than that, guys, I just want to say Thank you so much for all of your guys' support. Without you guys, this would have never been possible. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. I cannot be any happier. Like I said, with the deal sold, the I bought, all the money actually came from YouTube. So I just want to say, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So other than that, guys, that will do for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.